Hello everyone, welcome to MCQ Matrix GK. In today's video, we'll solve LDA previous year questions with answers. This quiz will help you prepare for upcoming LDA exams, revise important topics, and test your knowledge. Try to answer each question and comment your score at the end of the video.
Read the passage. The happy man is the man who lives objectively, who has free affections and wide interests. According to the passage, calculated affection. The correct answer is option D, appears to be false and fabricated. Who, according to the passage, is the happy man? The correct answer is option B, one who has free affection and wide interests. Which of the following statements is not true in the context of the passage? The correct answer is option D. Issue of intellectual courage has been extensively studied. Which of the following virtues, according to the passage, has been recognized for long as an important virtue? The correct answer is option A, courage. Which of the following words is similar in meaning to the word bestowed as used in the passage? The correct answer is option D, comfort. It is challenging to reply at the spur of the moment when questioned in an interview. The correct answer is option B, without delay. Rahul was at his wits' end to find that his sister has failed. The correct answer is option A, perplexed. He has recovered from illness and now he is as fit as a fiddle. The correct answer is option D, strong and healthy. All three brothers are at loggerheads because of land dispute. The correct answer is option B, to be in conflict. I am at a loss regarding what to do. The correct answer is option C, to be unable to decide. A man who rarely speaks the truth. The correct answer is option B, liar. The custom of having many wives. The correct answer is option C, polygamy. A doctor who treats skin diseases. The correct answer is option B, dermatologist. A person who studies stars, planets and other heavenly bodies. The correct answer is option D, astronomer. A person who is killed because of their religious or other beliefs. The correct answer is option C, martyr. Glory, choose the word opposite in meaning. The correct answer is option D, debasement. Superiority, choose the word opposite in meaning. The correct answer is option C, inferiority. Testify, choose the word opposite in meaning. The correct answer is option A, falsify. Repulsive, choose the word opposite in meaning. The correct answer is option B, alluring. Expand, choose the word opposite in meaning. The correct answer is option C, condense. cancel. Choose the word most similar in meaning. The correct answer is option B, abolish. Germinate. Choose the word most similar in meaning. The correct answer is option D, sprout. Paltry. Choose the word most similar in meaning. The correct answer is option A, insignificant. Stupid. Choose the word most similar in meaning. The correct answer is option B, dull. Showy. Choose the word most similar in meaning. The correct answer is option C, gaudy. The man exclaimed that his wallet was stolen. Choose the correct direct speech. The correct answer is option C. The man exclaimed, "My wallet was stolen." Rima said to Priya, "Why are you sketching on the wall?" Choose the correct indirect speech. The correct answer is option A. Rima asked Priya why was she sketching on the wall. Stand at ease, the soldier said to his men. Choose the correct indirect speech. The correct answer is option D. The soldier commanded his men to stand at ease. Mr. Swear asked the lady if she could tell him where the nearest post office is. Choose the correct direct speech. The correct answer is option B. Mr. Swear asked the lady, "Could you tell me where the nearest post office is?" The professor said that nobody could solve the problem. Choose the correct direct speech. The correct answer is option A. The professor said, "Nobody can solve the problem." He suggested that we should be bound by a code of conduct, isn't it? Find the correct question tag. The correct answer is option C. Shouldn't we? In order to write poetry, one has to be both sensitive and creative. Is there an error in the underlined word both? The correct answer is option D, no error. Bees produce sweet honey as its sting is deadly. Find the correct replacement for as. The correct answer is option A, but. I am tired as I am working since 7 o'clock in the morning. Find the correct replacement for the underlined verb. The correct answer is option B. I have been working. Sheila told her teacher to explain the chapter once again. Find the correct replacement for told. The correct answer is option C. Asked her teacher. Professionals as doctors and lawyers are part of the program. The correct answer is option B, like. The bus stand is directly the police station. The correct answer is option C, behind. The dogs the field are chasing one another playfully. The correct answer is option A, in. In accordance the regulations, one must apply for the scheme. The correct answer is option B, with. The house in I was born has a beautiful garden surrounding it. The correct answer is option D, which. The speaker's dash remarks left the audience in awe. His words were both profound and enlightening. The correct answer is option B, pity. The novel's plot was so dash that readers were hooked from the first page, unable to predict the twists in the plot. The correct answer is option B, engrossing. While her sister was dash and thrifty, Maria was notoriously extravagant, spending money without a second thought. The correct answer is option A, frugal. The government will dash the new policy next week, aiming to improve transparency across departments. The correct answer is option A, adopt. The officer's dash response to the confrontational question demonstrated her skill in handling complex and sensitive situations. The correct answer is option C, tempered. Her remarks were intended to be pacifying, but they were interpreted as dash by the opposition. The correct answer is option A, provocative. Unlike the dash forest they had left behind, the desert landscape was desiccated and bereft of life. The correct answer is option B, verdant. She dash her mother's stubbornness, always refusing to back down once she's made up her mind. The correct answer is option A, takes after. The research team had to dash their procedure after superintendent pointed out several errors in their experimental design. The correct answer is option A, revise. The negotiations reached a complete dash, with neither side willing to compromise on their fundamental demands. The correct answer is option C, impasse. The prisoner was released on dash for good behavior. The correct answer is option C, parole. Life is to death as pleasure is to dash. The correct answer is option A, suffering. Please do not dash an offer made by the chairman. The correct answer is option C, refuse. The police dashed the mob. The correct answer is option D, dispersed. Robert was dash with a natural talent for music. The correct answer is option C, endowed. If you drink too much, it will dash your judgment. The correct answer is option B, impair. It is very dash to miss one's train by half a minute. The correct answer is option D, exasperating. Did you use a dictionary dash the letter? The correct answer is option C, to translate. Your case is so unique that I am not getting any dash to support it. The correct answer is option D, precedent. We thought that the sadhu had miraculous powers, but we soon found out that we were dash. The correct answer is option D, deceived. A temporary departure from the main subject in speech or writing is known as dash. The correct answer is option D, digression. Something deserving of praise or admiration is called dash. The correct answer is option B, laudable. Dash means unselfish concern for the welfare of others. The correct answer is option C, altruism. Maria always wears dash clothes. The correct answer is option C, decent. We should always be dash of what is going on around the world. The correct answer is option B, conscious. The Earth satellite Aryabhata was put in orbit by India on. The correct answer is option D, 19th April 1975. Specific gravity is defined as the ratio of the density of. The correct answer is option B, a substance to the density of water. A balloon filled with hydrogen will. The correct answer is option C, burst after reaching some height. Two glass plates with little water in between cannot be separated easily because of. The correct answer is option C, surface tension. The aneroid barometer uses. The correct answer is option D, does not use any liquid. Bimbisara was succeeded by. The correct answer is option B, Ajatshatru. The Chedi dynasty ruled in. The correct answer is option B, Kalinga. India for the Indians was the political message of. The correct answer is option C, Dayanand Saraswati. The Berlin Wall fell in which year? The correct answer is option C, 1989. The Mughal emperor who built the peacock throne was. The correct answer is option A, Shah Jahan. An area of low precipitation on the leeward side of hills mountain ranges is called. The correct answer is option C, rain shadow zone. The percentages of the areas of oceans and continents on the earth are dash respectively. The correct answer is option B, 71 and 29. Spot the odd item amongst the following. The correct answer is option B, brass. Lines connecting the points of equal salinity are called. The correct answer is option C, isohalines. The Benguela current passes along the. The correct answer is option C, southwest coast of Africa. The Great Barrier Reef is located in which ocean? The correct answer is option A, Pacific Ocean. The authority empowered to fix the salary and allowances of the Speaker is the. The correct answer is option D, Parliament. In which year was the first no-confidence motion moved in the Lok Sabha? The correct answer is option C, 1963. The National Integration Council is chaired by the. The correct answer is option D, Prime Minister of India. The separation of the judiciary from the executive is envisaged in the. The correct answer is option B, Directive Principles of State Policy. The total number of members in the Legislative Council of a state shall in no case be less than. The correct answer is option D, 40. The Rajya Sabha is dissolved. The correct answer is option C, under no circumstances. The Phillips curve shows the relationship between. The correct answer is option C, inflation and unemployment. The headquarters of the Uranium Corporation of India is in. The correct answer is option C, Jadugoda. Bombay Samachar, A&Dash Daily, published from Mumbai, is the oldest extant newspaper in India. The correct answer is option C, Gujarati. Which pass connects Sikkim with Tibet? The correct answer is option C, Nathula. M.S. Subbulakshmi is India's Arthvasur, the eighth note, a tribute by. The correct answer is option D, Lata Mangeshkar. The Golden Temple is located in which city? The correct answer is option D, Amritsar. The Ajanta caves are located in which state? The correct answer is option D, Maharashtra. Who is the first Chief Minister of Meghalaya? The correct answer is option C, Capt. W. A. Sangma. The Meghalaya High Court was established in the year. The correct answer is option C, 2013. When was STEM Education Hub and Soil Organic Carbon Detection Lab inaugurated in Shillong? The correct answer is option A, 31st January 2025. Total how many medals East Khasi Hills District won in the 6th Meghalaya Games, 2025? The correct answer is option A, 381 medals. When did Meghalaya launch its first state-owned university, Captain Williamson Samma State University? The correct answer is option A, 13th January 2025. The new Chief Justice of India, who had been recently appointed on 14th May 2025 is. The correct answer is option A, Bhushan Ramkrishna Gavai. Who is the Chief Justice of Meghalaya as of August 2025? The correct answer is option A, I.P. Mukherjee. What is the state animal of Meghalaya? The correct answer is option A, clouded leopard. Which is the longest cave in Meghalaya? The correct answer is option C, Kremliet Pre. In which year was Northeastern Space Applications Center, NESAC, established? The correct answer is option A, 2000. In 2025, which Meghalayan products received GI tag? The correct answer is option A, Rindia silk and Khasi handloom. Which metal is liquid at room temperature apart from mercury? The correct answer is option B, gallium. Which is the heaviest naturally occurring element on the Earth? The correct answer is option D, uranium. The concept of vaccination was first developed by? The correct answer is option D, Edward Jenner. The National Nutrition Mission is also known as? The correct answer is option B, Poshan Abhiyan. Mudra loans are primarily given to? The correct answer is option B, micro and small enterprises. The city of 1,000 spires is a nickname for? The correct answer is option C, Prague. Which organization is known as the Bank of Banks? The correct answer is option B, Bank for International Settlements, BIS. Gitanjali, a Nobel Prize-winning work, was written by? The correct answer is option D, Rabindranath Tagore. Pick the odd one out. The correct answer is option A, Machiavelli. Meghalaya is a part of the biodiversity hotspot named? The correct answer is option D, the Indo-Burma region.